Welcome back to 12 Acres. Well, today we are going to be drying some herbs. We're actually drying basil today, but this same method can be used for other herbs such as your mints, lemon balm, oregano, such as that. So the leafy herbs.
I don't eat basil.
Yeah, you can. Yeah, it is, isn't it?
Tastes like this.
After thoroughly rinsing your herbs to ensure that there are no little insects or dirt in them, we did find this beautiful little golden bug in our herbs. Then lay the herbs out in a single layer on some paper towels so that they can dry as much as possible. Then you will layer them into your dehydrator. I am just using a regular Nesco American Harvest dehydrator. And you want to put these single layered so that they're not overlapping each other as much as possible. And then you just turn it on. Now, if your dehydrator has a low setting, that's what you would want to use for drying herbs. Mine, however, does not have any alternate settings on it, so mine took about 4 hours to dry, so it was fairly quick for a dehydrator. You can also dry these in the oven at a low setting, like around 170. I think it takes about 1 hour in the oven. And then once the herbs are fully dried, you just kind of crumple them up, put them in a bowl or a container. I like to use my jars with a good sealing lid, and really that's all there is to it. It's pretty simple. So it's a good way to start preserving your herbs. I know in the past that I have used a lot of my herbs in like spaghetti sauce and things like that, but I had some extra this year that I wanted to save so that we have some fresh herbs in the winter. So that's it. Thanks for watching, guys.